Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris. Today we're doing another video with the Easy Peasy series. This up, we're going to do 4 palettes today. These palettes are from the Ulta times Harry Potter collection. So we have Gryffindor, Ravenclaw, Hufflepuff, and Slytherin. I also did get all 4 of the lip glosses. Before we get started, I do want to just let you guys know that unlike my first Easy Peasy video, this one is not going to be me talking since it is 4 different palettes. So the video is going to be more or less designed like these 7 looks 1 palette series that I do. Alright guys, let's dive into these eye looks. That wraps up all 4 easy peasy looks from all 4 houses from Harry Potter. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Let me know if you happen to snatch one of these up. As always, I hope you guys are staying safe, and I of course will catch you guys on the next one. Bye!